Tactical gloves are designed to protect your hands and wrists from physical harm and injury without sacrificing dexterity. They're ideal for shooting and other activities that require agility and precision, and defend your hands against cuts and abrasions. Today we will present the best 5 tactical gloves. Tactical gloves can serve any number of purposes, but in general, these gloves are designed to safeguard military, law enforcement, and sports enthusiasts' hands from injury and provide protection in a variety of environments and conditions. Watch to the end. You are amazed. But first, subscribe and add the bell. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Kenny Safford and I'm lead design for Mechanix Wear. Over 30 years ago, Mechanix Wear basically invented the performance glove category. We brought in a glove called the Original. What that did was it protected hands that were working on cars, that were doing DIY projects, that were hard-working hands. The military version of that glove carries on in that heritage. What we've done is to develop and isolate features that the tactical version of the tactical customer might appreciate. The carbon-infused palm, very high in dexterity, very high in abrasion resistance, tear, cut, puncture, very high ratings on all those. Touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. Never wears out, doesn't wash out. It works very well in all conditions, hot, cold, wet, never fades. The back of the glove features track dry. What track dry is it's a wicking material. Pulls moisture from your body, exposes that moisture to the outer layers of the material where the air can cool it and dry it. What that does is it keeps your hands a little bit cooler, keeps them a lot drier, and it keeps blistering to a minimum. The tactical version of the Original glove, I'm very proud of it. This is something that we've worked on for a very long time, and I know that if you use these gloves, to protect, they will protect you.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned anything from this video, please subscribe to the channel. Add the notification bell for more future updates. See you again next video.